In the light right now, it's so nasty. Sheesh. That McLaren goes hard, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll probably do a little POV just to, I don't know, keep it simple. Oof. Oh my gosh. Did you see do not rest? Oh fudge. Oh my gosh. Those turbos sound disgusting. Oh my gosh, that thing goes hard. Dang, that thing goes hard. That thing goes hard. Oh my gosh. Oh hell yeah. Oh damn, I already sounds clean. Dude, I love this car so much, bro. Fudge. Oh my gosh, those pops are nasty. Oh my gosh, this car is so... I love how it controls so well, and it's a freaking sedan, bro. It's actually so funny to me. Dude, those cars go hard. Dude, one day, boys, one day, bro. I'm gonna keep hustling. We're gonna keep grinding, taking risks, bro. If I don't get one of these cars eventually, bro, hey, all I know is I tried, bro. I tried. I took the risk I needed to. It's all that freaking matters. Dude, the Lamborghinis, dude, I love the sound of the Lambos, bro. I love the sound of the Lambos so much. Oh my gosh, you hear that? Oh my god, dude, we're just sending. Dude, it sounds so amazing, bro. Frick, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys already know this. Oh my gosh. Gosh, this squad goes hard. Let's go. This is my freaking area, bro. You guys already know this street. I've like had in every single freaking video. Dude, this is such a nasty setup, bro. Love this. Oh my goodness. Dude, 765, dude. One day, boys. One day, let's get it, bro. Grind time. I'm thankful for what I have now because, you know, you never know when your last day is, so I'm always gonna give all glory to God. But bro, it's good to have dreams, passions, you know, like it gives you purpose in life. But, oh, dude, I can't get. Oh, I love the M5 still. I'm keeping all these freaking cars, bro. One day, boys, one day. Dude, this McLaren goes hard. Dude, the squad. You guys already know these freaking streets. I remember when I used to see these freaking cars, I'll get so hyped, and now I'm freaking driving these guys. Oh my gosh, those pops. Oh my goodness. Also, I'm fixing the windshield, dude. For some reason, I was supposed to get it done today. They freaking rescheduled, which sucks. Dang, that car goes hard. Dang, the quality of this camera is sick. Dude, the quality of my phone's insane. We're leaving the McLaren, homie. Porsche GT3, so nice. Audi RA, so beautiful, bro. Holy dude, the Popstar's car is so beautiful. Holy, I freaking love this thing, bro. Dude, today was such a chill day. The weather is so beautiful. Dude, the phone quality is insane, dude. I just got the newest iPhone. It looks so good. I'm freaking hyped, dude. I'm hyped to freaking edit this. Holy, this thing freaking grips, dude. It grips like crazy. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to straight pipe this thing, dude. I'm buying an exhaust so soon. I need to buy it like ASAP. I'm just trying to invest most of my income right now, you know? I don't want to keep buying parts and stuff like, but exhaust is like, I think exhaust is essential. So what I've been trying to do is I've been trying to work with companies. Oh my gosh, this thing's so beautiful, dude. Oh my gosh. But pretty much, I've been trying to invest most of my money. Wait, is that a freaking Hellcat? Sheesh! Yeah, I know who that is. It's my homie. Oh my goodness. But anyways, I've been trying to invest most of my money, whether that's stocks or real estate or building equity to buy real estate. But dude, it's a freaking struggle, bro. Like, buying these exhausts, like, I feel like it should be so much easier, you know? You just gotta make more money, bro. It's got make bigger trades. Like, once I can start making over 1K consistently every single day trading, that's where I'm definitely gonna buy freaking buy a bunch of things, not just freaking an exhaust. Buy a bunch of things for the business and stuff. Just gotta keep hustling, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was disgusting. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful, dude. I'm gonna do one more pull and then freaking head home. Come on, give me some room,
It's
freaking beautiful. Dude, I can't get over the sound of this freaking German V8, bro. I want a Huracan so bad too, bro. Just imagine, boys, one day at Huracan making a video like this. If that day comes, dude, I'm gonna look back at these videos like, dude, we've come so far, bro. That's what hypes me up more, is I want to be able to look back and be like, dude, look where we've come. Look where we've come from, you know? Like, fudge. I'm hyped.